Hi, my name is Lindy from Project Portfolio Office, and in this video I'm going to be covering widget configuration, specifically related to the Gantt widget, and this is aimed at PPO administrators. So on the front end of PPO, users have the ability to set their own preferences when it comes to the Gantt widget. You can either access the Gantt via hovering over projects and selecting tasks, or I can just draw into my project, and then from the project view page, the table below that will be specific to tasks. So under the task table, under actions, I can say view Gantt chart, which takes me to the Gantt chart for that specific project. So as a front-end user, I can click on my settings icon and make any changes to my specific Gantt, thereby setting my own preferences. So as an example, I can remove the variance or the days overdue, and then just save that. So I've now saved my own preferences. You as an administrator, under administration and widget configuration, have access to set defaults for your users. So under the Gantt widget here, we select tasks. The first option at the top is our user group selection. So we can either apply these defaults to all user groups, or we can do it for a specific user group. I'm just going to talk through the basics over here. So on the left-hand side is the field. So this is the bar on the Gantt, which then displays from my planned start and then to my planned end date. The progress on the bar will be showing the actual progress, but you can also flip that to planned progress or variance. And then the parent or task parent basically creates the structure with tasks rolling up to summary tasks and up to project level. We can also set our baseline fields, appearance, page size, how many line items do we want to see on a specific Gantt chart. And then when it comes to the coloring of the Gantt itself, so you'll see that's the gray and the green and the blue and the black for the milestones. You can either use this option, which is a fixed option, or I can say I want to use a data field. So in this example, I'm just going to show using my status field, and that will apply the custom list colors. And for now, I'm happy with the fields over here. I just want to maybe just change my sort order, and then I can submit this. In doing this, I set my defaults for the user groups. I just want to make sure it's submitted. Yes, it shows a success. So if I go back to my Gantt chart over here as a user, if I've already set my own preferences and I want to get the defaults that you as an administrator has just set up, I click on the settings icon and I just say restore to defaults, and it inherits what you as the PPO administrator has applied for them. I hope you found this valuable. Thanks for watching.